Hello children, how are you all? I hope you are fine. Okay, yesterday we learned only some of noun phrases in your English textbook. Okay, we learned some of noun phrases in your English textbook and we completed only some. I gave you the meaning of noun phrase. What is noun phrase? A noun phrase is group of words which does the work of a noun. Which does the work of a noun. Noun phrase is group of words which does the work of a noun. Okay, we completed some examples. Now we are going to complete some more examples. Okay? Okay children? Okay. Please open your page number 27. Okay, 27. Please open page number 27. We completed two examples. Okay, I enjoy playing tennis, and the second one, I tried to solve the puzzle. We completed all these two examples. Okay, now we are going to complete the remaining one. Okay, we are going to complete the remaining one. She hopes to win the prize. So what is the noun phrase here? Yes, to win the prize. What is that? To win the prize. She hopes to win the prize. So what is the noun phrase here? To win the prize is the noun phrase. Okay? Fourth one. So he refused to answer the question. That is the fourth example. Okay? So what is the noun phrase here? Yes, to answer the question. Okay? It is speaking about, it does the work of the noun or pronoun. Okay? He refused to answer the question. So to answer the question. So what he refused? What he refused? To answer the question. So, to answer the question is the noun phrase. Okay? Fifth one. So, horses prefer living in dark stables. Okay? So, what is the noun phrase here? What is the noun phrase here? In dark stables. Okay? In dark stables is the noun phrase. Okay? Now we will see the fifth one. Sixth one. Okay? We will see the sixth one. Everyone should learn to cook. So everyone should learn what? You have to question like that. Okay? Everyone should learn what? What everyone should learn? What everyone should learn? To cook. Yes, to cook. So this is the noun phrase. This is the noun phrase. Okay? Now we will see the remaining one. Seventh one. So he denied eating the whole cake. So what is the noun phrase here? What is the noun phrase here? The whole cake. The whole cake, okay? He denied eating what? He denied eating what? What he denied? He denied eating the whole cake. The whole cake. So, the whole cake is the noun phrase. The whole cake is the noun phrase here. Eighth one. So, did you enjoy reading this book? Okay? So, what is the noun phrase here? Reading this book. So, did you enjoy reading this book? So, what he enjoyed? So, did you enjoy what? Okay, what he enjoyed? So, did you enjoy reading this book? Reading this book is the noun phrase. So, what he enjoyed? Reading this book. What is that? Reading this book. He enjoyed reading this book. Okay? Ninth one. He hates having to scold students. So what is the noun phrase here? Yes, to scold the students. Okay? To scold the students. So he hates having. What he hates? What he hates? He hates having to scold the students. To scold the students is the noun phrase. Okay? See the 10th one. Okay? I will never do such a thing. I will never do such a thing. So what is the noun phrase here? What is the noun phrase here? Such a thing. So I will never do what? I will never do what? What he will never do? What is that? So I will never do such a thing. So such a thing. What is that? Such a thing. So here such a thing is the noun phrase. Okay? You have to question what, which, where. Okay? Like that. Such a thing. I will never do what? If you ask like that, what I will never do. What is that? What I will never do. Such a thing. Like that. Okay? You have to question where, which, how. Okay? Like that. Here such a thing is a noun phrase. So we will see the 11th one. Okay? Eleventh one. Read that. My mother promised to get me something. So what is the noun phrase here? What is the noun phrase here? You have to question what, which, how. Okay? Like that. So here what is the noun phrase? To get me something. To get me something. My mother promised. So what her mother promised? What her mother promised him. Okay? What her mother promised her. Like that you have to question. So what is the promise? To get me something. My mother promised to get me something. To get me something is the noun phrase. Okay? This is the noun phrase. So, to get me something is the noun phrase. 12th one. So, see the 12th one. She promised to talk to his manager. She promised to talk to his manager. So, what is the noun phrase here? So, see children, what is the noun phrase here? To talk to his manager. So, to talk to his manager. She wished to talk to, she wished what? She wished what? You have to question like that, okay? So that you will get the answer from the sentence, okay? From the sentence. She asked, she wished what? Like that. She asked what? She hated what? Like that, okay? He is doing what? Like that. So, she wished to talk to his manager. This is the noun phrase. This is the noun phrase. So, see the 13th one. So, what is the noun phrase here? So, what is the noun phrase here? Have you ever tried to climb a tree? To climb a tree. Okay? To climb a tree. So, have you ever tried? So, what he tried? What he tried? To climb a tree. Have you ever tried what? To climb a tree. Like that. Have you ever tried what? What you have tried? To climb a tree. So, this is the noun phrase. So, this is the to climb a tree is the noun phrase. Okay? 14th one. So, she denied taking the notebook. Okay? She denied what? She denied what? Taking the notebook. Taking the notebook. what she denied? What is that? What she denied? She denied taking the notebook. I told you that if you want to know the noun phrase, make it two sentences. Make it two parts so that you will find the noun phrase. So if you want to know what is noun phrase in the sentence, first of all you have to break the sentence. Okay? You cover this part. She denied. Remove that. Okay? Taking the notebook. Taking the notebook. Is there a meaning? What taking the notebook? Who taking the who is that? What is that? Okay? Like that. She denied taking the notebook. Taking the notebook. In the morning, meaningless. In the kitchen, meaningless. Okay? For example, to talk to his manager. Who? What? How? Where? When? Like that. You have to question like that. Okay? She wished to talk to his manager. She wished what? She wished what? What she wished? To talk to his manager. My mother promised to get me something. Her mother his mother promised. So what his or her mother promised? To get me something. To get me something. Like that we have to question. Okay? She denied taking the notebook. What she denied? Taking the notebook. Taking the notebook. So what is the noun phrase? Taking the notebook. Last one. My principal gave me permission to go home. See here, to go home. So what is the permission asked? To go home. My principal gave me permission to go home. Permission to go home. To go home is a noun phrase. Okay? Okay children. Today we completed all the noun phrases in your English textbook. Okay? Please prepare them for your OT exam. Okay? All the best. Thank you.